Alright up guys, so it's time for another unboxing. It's that time of the year again. This here is an iPhone. We're gonna open it. I've been keeping myself away from any pictures because I've been hearing good and bad things about the box itself. Take a look at the box. And here is the box. A very plain box. This is actually kind of weird. Like, there's literally no artwork. Alright, box is being opened. Plastic wrap is off. We got a naked box here, folks. This is the moment. This is the big moment. 3, 2, 1, we're opening. Very slow opening. Hold on. Alright. 3, 2, 1. There it is. It's beautiful. I don't want to see how thin it is yet. I want to save that for last in this video. I'm gonna take it like this. Set it aside. I tried not to feel it at all. We got stickers and whatnot, I'm guessing. Even more Apple stickers. I don't know how many I need. I don't really need that many. iPhone 6. Is this a sticker? No, it's not. EarPods. Alright, so I'm gonna cut in a quick little review of the Apple EarPods the first time I had them with the iPhone 5. I don't like Oh, really? Is it just like the shape of my ear or something? So of course, I will not be using these. I'll give them to somebody, my brother or something. So we got a plug, as is tradition, and we got this lightning cable. I know there's been rumors that Apple is gonna sell reversible USB. They didn't talk about it at all, so I don't think this is reversible, but just in case. So we can confirm that it is not a reversible USB, as the rumors were pointing to. Anyway, let's set all that aside because it's time for the frickin' thing itself. Alright, here is the iPhone 6. I'm gonna pick it up for the first time. Wow. It's thin. It's incredibly thin. Like, I don't know how they could have got thinner. So just as a low comparison, this is the iPhone 5S on top of the iPhone 6. And that's how much taller it is, and it is even thinner than the iPhone 5S. I know according to the Apple website, it is actually heavier for the first time in what feels like forever. Frozen reference. But seriously, for the first time, like, I think ever in an iPhone, the next generation one is actually heavier. So it's weird. Anyway, the moment you've been waiting for, we're gonna take off the little plastic bits. This is always so freaking satisfying. Fun times. Oh, it wraps around the front. That's pretty cool. There it is. It's official. The iPhone is in my hands. Wow, the vibrate switch is like really like, I don't know, it feels like smaller. Alright, so let's check out this camera. It kind of protrudes a little bit, which is kind of weird to be honest, but whatever. As you make a device this thin, you know, you have to have the camera stick out a little bit. The glass does in fact wrap around a little bit, which I know they talked about a lot, and it feels kind of cool. I'm gonna have to use it for a bit to actually see how it comes into play. But besides that, there's the Touch ID, anything else? True Tone Flash, NFC band is up here. Oh, of course, lock switch, doy. Yeah, that's the thing too. I was gonna press up here, but I forgot. It's right here. And just for the sake of this video, let's do the first ever boot of the iPhone 6. I guess we gotta charge it. Oh, there it goes. Alright, so we're doing the first ever boot up of the iPhone 6. Live on air. Not really though. So I think what's gonna happen is my cellular is gonna just stop working on this one. Wow, look at that screen. I mean, just right off the bat, I can tell you that the screen looks pretty good. I know they kept the pixel density the same, but it looks pretty good on the iPhone 6. Anyway, I'm gonna go set that up, and that's pretty much it. That's an unboxing and a first look, I guess. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.